Can your LLC just be your name? Yes, your LLC can be registered using just your personal name, as long as it's available and meets your state's naming rules. For example, you could register David Wilson LLC or Sarah Lee LLC. This is a popular choice for consultants, freelancers, and personal brands who want the liability protection of an LLC while doing business under their own name. That said, some people prefer adding a descriptive word to make the business sound more professional, such as Sarah Lee Designs LLC. It's also important to note that forming an LLC with your name does not give you trademark rights. If you want exclusive branding protection, you'll need to register a trademark separately. Zen Business can help you form your LLC under your own name or any business name you choose. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.